Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Exp22 Word Chapter 2 Cumulative Pool. So we move to the project description. You and friend from a college are starting a new business pool pros and pool maintenance and supplies patients you plan to have a hands and brushes to which you are working with now you will ask to the presented chapter from text adjust the alignments ingredients bullet and number list and in correct type the graphic objects have described the process and caring of our pool. So we move to the main project step. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So assignment title is EXP22 Word Chapter 2 Cumulative Pools. We move to the main project step and total step is 19. So question number 1 is start our download and open the file name exp22 word chapter 2 cumulative pools document grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Ensure that the non-printing character are displayed. So go to the word files. I have already downloaded the word exp22 word chapter 2 cumulative pools. So question number 1 is complete and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is select the crystal clears perfection at the end of the first body paragraph and bold it and select the alt text and change the font to Arial and change the alignment of the text to justify. So select the crystal clears perfection. So select the crystal clear perfection and end of the first body of the paragraph and bold it. So go to the home tabs and go to the phone groups and click the bold. And next is select the alt text and change the font to Arial and change the alignment of selected to justify. So select the alt text and change the font to Arial. So Control A and select the alt text. Select the alt text and change the font to Arial. So change the font to Arial. So go to the home tabs, go to the font groups and font is to Arial. So select the font is to Arial. Select the Arial, click OK. And next is change the font to Arial and change the alignment of selected text to justify. And go to the home tabs, go to the paragraph groups and click the justify. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is select the first two body paragraph on a page 1 and adjust the line spacing to 1.5. Ensure that the paragraph spacing before and after is 0 points for the selected paragraph and apply the first line indent for the two paragraph of 0.5. Select the first two body paragraph on a page 1. So select the first two body paragraph on page 1 and select the first two paragraph. So select the first two paragraph on page 1 and adjust the line spacing to 1.5. So adjust the line spacing to 1.5 and go to the home tabs, go to the paragraph groups and line spacing 1.5, line spacing 1.5. And next is Ensure that the paragraph spacing before and after is 0 point for the selected paragraph. Ensure that the paragraph spacing before and after is 0 point. So go to the home tabs, go to the paragraph groups, and before spacing 0 and after spacing 0 point. Ensure that the paragraph spacing before and after is 0 point for the selected paragraph and apply the first line indent to paragraph 0.5 and click the first line indent, and apply the first line indent for the two paragraph and click OK. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is select the all subheading are formatted in bold and change the font size to 14. So select the all subheading that are formatted in a bold and change the font size to 14. So select the all subheading. Select the all subheading and all subheading are formatted bold and font size to 14. Click the bold and font size to 14. The first subheading. And next is select the second, set up the vacuum, the font size to 14, and next is vacuum the pools and font size to 14, and next is adjust the chemicals and font size to 14, and backwash the filter font size to 14, and next is clean the pump filters in font size to 14 and add the coloring to system font size to 14. So apply the subheading in the font size to 14. So question number 4 is complete. We move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is select the fourth paragraph, the presets, the get paid of debris headings and beginning with the check the pool water balance and ending with the add a box double line border with the 3/4 lines weight and color the and shade the borders red area with the blue gray text to lighter 60% fourth column third row. So select the fourth paragraph. Select the fourth paragraph, the presets, the get paid of debris heading, beginning with the check the pool water balance and ending at the. So select the check the pool waters and select the fourth paragraph. Select the fourth paragraph and check the pool water balance ending and add a box to the double line borders with the 3/4 line weight and color of blue gray text to fourth column first row and shade the borders area with the blue gray text to lighter 60% fourth column third row under theme colors. So add the box double line borders. So go to the home tabs and go to the paragraph groups. Click the border and shading. So click the border and add the box to the double lines. So select the box and select the box to the double line and double line border width is 3/4. So with this 3/4, and next is line width and color is blue gray text 2. So select the color is text 2 blue gray text 2, click OK. And next is shade the borders area with the blue gray text to lighter 60%, fourth column, third row under the theme colors. So click the shading, and shading color is blue gray text to lighter 60%. So blue gray text to lighter 80%, and blue gray text to lighter 60%, click OK. And blue gray text to lighter 60%, click OK, and again OK. So question number 5 is complete. We move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is display the rulers, click or position the insertion point at the top of the documents and press enter. Click or select the newly inserted blank paragraph, drag or move the first line indent marker back to the left margin to remove the first line indent from the blank paragraph. So display the rulers and go to the view tabs and display the ruler. And next is click or positions the insertion point top of the document and press enter. So go to the top of the documents and press enter. And next is and click or select the newly inserted blank paragraph and drag or move the first line indent marker back to the left margins to remove the first line indent from the blank paragraph. So select the newly inserted blank paragraph and drag or move the first line indents. Drag or move the first line indents. Move the first line indents and to remove the first line indents from the blank paragraph. Remove the first line indents. So go to the home tabs and go to the paragraph groups and to remove the first line indents, click the none and click OK. So remove the first line indents, paragraph of the document. So question number 6 is complete, and we move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is set a left tab at 1 and a right tabs at 5. Ensure that the right tab include a dash leaders. Press tab and type your pool. Do not type the period. Press tab and type your way. Do not type the period and change the font of for your pool and your way to calligraphy, and bold the bold text item on the first line and change the font size to 10. So set the left tab at a 1 and right tab 5. So go to the home tabs and go to the paragraph groups and click the tab buttons, and next is left tab is 1. So left tab is 1, and next is right tab at a 5 and click the set. So type 5 and ensure that the right tab include the dash leader line and press tab, type your pool. So click the rights and leader and 2, click the set and click OK. So next is press tab button and type your pool. So copy the text and press tab button and your pool. And next is do not type the period and press tab button and type your way. So press tab button and type your way. So press tab button and type your way. And next is do not type the period and change the font for your pool and your way. Calligraphy, bold the bold text item on the first line and change the font size to 10. Use the calligraphy. So select the text and go to the home tabs, go to font groups and instruct calligraphy. Instruct calligraphy. And next is font change and bold the both text the first line and change the font size to 10. So click the bold and item in the first line and change the font size to 10. Home tabs and font size to 10 and first line ingredients. First line and click OK. Sorry, font size to 10. So question number 7 is complete. So question number 7 is complete and we move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is click or position the insertion point before the second sentence in the first body of the paragraph at the top of the page 3. The sentence begin with the add more in hot weathers, delete the preceding space and period the end of the first sentence, insert the em dash symbol and change the case of adds to add. So click or position the insertion point before the second sentence of the first body of the paragraph at the top of the page 3. So first body of the paragraph on page 3. Select the add modes and the page 3 and the sentence begin with the add more in a hot weather, delete the preceding space and period at the end in the first sentence. So delete the period and insert the em dash symbol and change the case to add to add. So insert the em dash. So go to the insert tabs and go to the sample groups. Click the more symbols. Click the special character is em dash and click OK and click the insert. Insert the em dash and next is add to add. Change the case add to add. So question number 8 is complete. We move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is select the fourth paragraph in the shaded area near the top of page 1. Apply the numbering and choosing the number alignment left 1 to 3. So select the fourth paragraph shaded it. So select the fourth paragraph shaded it. So select the fourth paragraph at the near the top of page 1 and apply the numbering. Choose the number alignments left. So go to the home tabs and go to the paragraph groups and click the number alignment left. So question number 9 is complete. We move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is click or position the insertion point at the top of the document and insert the word, selecting the fill blue accent color 1, shadow row 1, the type the pool maintenance and change the fonts to pool maintenance 24 and change the text fill black text 1. Ensure the word arts to Arial wrap text at the top and bottom and visually centers the word art horizontally on the first line. So click or the position the insertion point top of the documents. So top of the document, and next is document and insert the word arts, selecting the fill blue accent color 1 shadow row 1 column 2 and type the pool maintenance. Do not type the period. Change the font size to pool maintenance to 24. Change the text fill to black text 1. So click the insertion point at the top of the document and insert the word arts. So go to the insert tabs and click the insert the word dot. Insert the word dot the top of the document and fill blue accents color 1 shadow 1. So insert the word dots, fill blue accent color 1 shadow, and next is shadow and type the pool maintenance. So copy the text and paste the text pool maintenance, and next is do not the type of the period and change the font size to pool maintenance 24 and change the text fill to black text 1. So font size to 24, select the text and font size to 24. So go to the home tab and go to the font groups and font size to 24, and next is change the text fill to the black text 1. So change the text fill to the black text 1. Select the text fill to the black text 1 and black text 1 and ensure the word dot font size to font is to Arial. So go to the home tabs and font is to Arial, and next is font is to Arial and wrap text at the top and bottom and visually centers the word dot horizontally on the first line. So wrap text at the top and bottom. So wrap text is the top and bottom formats, and wrap text is top and bottom. Click OK, and next is top and bottom and visually center the word dots horizontally the first line, and alignment is to the position in the. So go to the home tabs and click the centers. So center the titles, center horizontally on the first line, and click OK. Image centers and click OK. So question number 10 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.